Since 22nd, the country hit the 25 COVID-19 cases, the government announced the closure of all places of worship to contain the spread of the virus. A decision that was not taken lightly by religious leaders who cited places of worship as the weakest link in spreading of the virus. And now, with restriction orders being gradually, the question of places of worship will be reopened weighs heavily on the shoulders of religious leaders whose work of deliberating on the practical solutions began today.
And really the opening of our public worship will largely depend on how we Kenyans decide to comply with all those indications that we are receiving. It really depends on how we protect our sister and brother by following those indications and thereby making it safe even to meet with minimal risks.
Places of worship have always been considered a safe haven for many, and if at all their doors should be open to their believers, the question of how well to manage such gatherings is key. A dilemma of if to allow a restricted number of people for places that have proven to accommodate anyone who seeks higher power.
The Minister for Health has graciously arranged a number of programs to interact with them, and those protocols that we need to open our place of worship, look at the challenges we face in doing that or are likely to face, and how we can deal with them.
For the last 13 weeks, pews have been empty, but due to the pandemic, the places of worship were forced to adapt by offering virtual services with a limited congregation, at least 15 people. Many countries around the world are still struggling on finding ways to reopen their places of worship. Like New Zealand, reopening of their churches came with an order to restrict only 10 people in a gathering under supervised prayers. In the United States, some churches required that their members register online before attending the service to keep the church in the know of how many people to expect. For now, however, while there is no clear yes or no answer, online services will continue being the assurance for many believers, well until the Inter-Religious Council submits its interim report to the government by 6th July. Rakamwigai, Citizen TV.